Good morning, dear learners. Here Sunil from Marvelous Classes. I welcome you in the episode number 5. So, today's first word is ostensible. In recent days, I read a sentence from somewhere that written that the man, ostensibly a Kohli fan, managed to run onto the pitch. So, I thought that I should include the word ostensible. So let's see what is the meaning of ostensible. Seeming or stated to be real or true, when this is perhaps not the case. वास्तविक जैसा पर वास्तविक नहीं, निर्दिष्ट या दिखावटी. So here one use the ostensible reason she gave for her absence was illness, and one synonym for this word, and synonym is the having the same meaning of a word. So it is apparent. So apparent and ostensible are synonyms. Another word, pragmatic. This is an adjective, and you know that adjective describes a person's or a thing. So meaning is solving problems in a practical and sensible way rather than by having fixed ideas or theories. व्यावहारिक, यथार्थवादी, न कि सिद्धांतवादी या कल्पनाशील. Often we heard about that a pragmatic approach. So here one use a pragmatic approach to management problems, and its synonym realistic, that is solving problems in a practical manner. Eloquent, this is also an adjective meaning able to use language and express your opinions well, especially when you are speaking in public. सार्वजनिक प्रसंग में वाणी का प्रयोग करने में दक्ष, वाक चतुर. So here first use an eloquent speech or an eloquent speaker, that is very good in public speaking. Okay, there is another meaning of eloquent, of a look or movement able to express a feeling. His eyes were eloquent. Next is nonchalant. This is a verb meaning behaving in a calm and relaxed way, giving the impression that you are not feeling worried. Udasin. Use appear, look, sound nonchalant. Another use we can see, it will be fine, she replied with a nonchalant shrug. Benevolent, this is also an adjective meaning especially of people in authority, who is kind, helpful and generous. दयालु, मित्रवत और परोपकारी. And opposite of benevolent is malevolent, जो generous ना हो, दयालु ना हो, मित्रवत ना हो या जो परोपकारी ना हो, उसे हम malevolent कहते हैं. Use a benevolent smile, attitude. There is another meaning of benevolent. used in the names of some organizations that give help and money to people in need. Example, the RAF Benevolent Fund. Thank you.